Hi, my name is Nicolas Prefol. I'm the Chief Financial Officer for Sepro Group. Sepro is the largest French manufacturer of robots. We are number 2 worldwide in plastic processing and a major player in general robotics. We export about 85% of our production out of La Roche, and we have approximately 600 employees worldwide, 27 different nationalities in 8 subsidiaries, and a global presence in 42 countries. We're here to meet with partners and customers and producers such as Proxinov or the MC2 cluster or Yaskawa, and we really want to show that we're at the heart of the highway of robotics between Nantes and La Roche-sur-Yon. We're present in different industries such as medical, packaging, cosmetics and automotive, and we want to use this event as a platform to open new markets. So what's important for us here is to meet customers. Of course, we're here to listen to what customers need and what they will need over the next few months, but we're also here to meet our partners, whether they're public or private. Yaskawa we mentioned, and we're here to talk about connection between these local and global partnerships that we can improve in the future. We're really proud to be a partner to Robot4manufacturing, as we want to use this as a showcase for our products and for our services in an ever-changing industry. In robotics, as generally in overall industrial production, we're going towards connection of equipment and using the data available from different appliances. And robots are no exception to this. And we want to make sure that Sepro is at the heart of this revolution, which will be in the future of industrial production, Industry 4.0.